axe, abacus, apple, ant, arrow, and arc, anchor, addition, anklet, anthill, arm, angle, angel, ankle, alien, apron, attic, Africa, ambulance, astronaut, armadillo, accordion, aeroplane, avocado, alligator, Australia, aquarium, bottle, brick, brain, bone, banana, bell, balloon, brinjal, bow, bag, bitter gourd, boat, bat, ball, bee, broom, bird, bear, button, butterfly, book, bird, bucket, bowling pin, banyan, basket, brush, bangle, battery, beard, beak, bouquet, bat, belly, belt, bread, bench, boot, blade, boy, binocular, burger, ballot box, buffalo, balance, bed, blackboard, bungle, briefcase, coconut, cloud, carrot, candle, cup, capsicum, comb, conch, clove, cart, clack, cherry, chili, crane, case, custard apple, chameleon, crown, coin, chocolate, crow, coconut tree, candy, chess, camel, cap, circle, caterpillar, car, cabbage, cactus, cap, catapult, chalk piece, cat, cone, corn, cylinder, cupboard, cake, cock, compass, cockroach, carpet, cigarette, coke, chick, calculator, den, dot, deer, duck, division, drop, donkey, devil, dice, drum, disc, discount, dog, dolphin, duckling, diamond, divisor, door, dividend, doll, driver, dove, dragonfly, dinosaur, dress, doctor, desk, dragon fruit.